Hello and welcome. I've got in front of me a Strada Avanti C campervan. Strada is a manufacturer of high-end campervans. Nice workmanship, but it comes with a rather large price. There you go, 114,000 euros for a 636 centimeter van. Now, what's the difference between this and a roller team van, which also comes on the same Fiat Ducato base and costs 1/3 the price? Nearly, I'm exaggerating a bit, 40% of the price. Well, the quality of the workmanship, I think, is the main difference between the two. And obviously it depends what you're looking for in your vehicle, but this, I think, it's got a very elegant look to it. The color scheme may not be to everybody's taste, but then again, you can have it done a bit differently if you want. I like this green. I think it's really nice, but that's just me. I also like the way they sort of do their storage units, because to me, I've said this in the past, that it reminded me of an office. The office filing cabinet is perhaps the best and most useful looking way of presenting in a motorhome or camper van, your places for storing your clothing or what have you. There's the toilet, there's the shower. It's a big shower in a 630 centimeter long vehicle. It's got this sensible sliding door on it, which makes it much easier. And as soon as you come out of this, here is the fridge with the same green front to it. This is the same as in just about every camper van. You've got 2 burners, you've got a sink, and you've got down here storage. Note your proper walls on them as well. It says there, Strada, please don't spin the seats around. I suppose that's for the people who might want to play with them. Here we've got more storage, a bit stiff, it's new. You can see what's there. Okay, it's used to keeping your bedding or something like this, and there you go, storage there as well as a skylight. We can see there's a door down there that'll give us access to the rear garage, and I'm going to take you around there right now. So this there, you can see you can get access through there to whatever you've got in here. A little clever feature of this is this will go up, and you can keep that at an angle if you wanted to. Notice in the case of the Strada, there's 2 mattresses only at this point, when there's a window over there, and there's plenty of space there to put your pillows up against the wall. Insulated doors, windows in the doors, and okay, giving you a quick overview of this vehicle. Let this lady speak whilst I walk around. Oh, that's it. Well, that went ding dong in order to tell people to get out, because the event is closing for today. And I'll take you around the Strada stand though, so you can see most of these vehicles here, they're on the Fiat Ducato base. This one, however, is on a Mercedes, and I think there might be another one on a Mercedes. I seem to recall seeing one here. There you go. Oh, it's 2 more. Sorry. All right. So.
Guten Abend. Es ist 18 Uhr und der 7. Tag der CNT ist zu Ende. Wir hoffen, Sie haben alle einen angenehmen und erfolgreichen nächsten Tag. Kommen Sie gut nach Hause und einen schönen Abend. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. 6 p.m. and the 7th day of the CNT is coming to an end. We hope you enjoyed your day. Have a safe trip home and a nice evening.
So thanks for watching, hope you found it interesting. I'll give you a link to a longer video I did on this vehicle. For the moment, bye for now, and all the best from me in Stuttgart.